Money. Governor Evers laying out his budget plan for the state.
Marijuana, school money, gas tax, all topics tonight in Madison. That's where we find NBC 26's Juliana Falk.
Governor Evers began his budget address here at the state capitol by saying this is the people's budget, featuring listening sessions across the state where he and Lieutenant Governor Mandela Barnes listened to what the Wisconsinites wanted to see in this budget.
The Wisconsinites can come to a room armed with different ideas to listen to each other and compromise on solutions. Then we should be able to do that right here in this building.
A major topic discussed was criminal justice, beginning with the juvenile system into the moment someone is incarcerated to their re-entry into the community.
Everything from alternatives to incarceration, to equity and representation, to substance abuse prevention, to reentry programming.
He discussed decriminalizing marijuana possession of 25 grams or less. Evers also talked about expanding Medicaid.
82,000 more Wisconsinites will have access to affordable, quality health care coverage.
He proposed fully funding public schools and in higher education, continuing the tuition freeze within the University of Wisconsin system. Evers ended his budget address on transportation.
I'm proposing the largest biennial investment in transportation in Wisconsin state history.
Evers says gas tax will be raised by 8 cents per gallon, but a hidden tax costing 14 cents will be repealed. Both Democrats and Republicans reacted to Evers' budget address.
The governor presented a very, very good budget, and obviously it's only a starting point, but it is the people's budget. He went out and listened to the public. And that's a novel idea. In the last 8 years, that didn't happen. And we have people, Republicans, Democrats, Independents, all with their ideas. And I think he put together a really, really good budget.
You know, what he proposed here today was really right out of the playbook here of special interests in Madison. I'm looking forward to working with him over the next weeks and months to find that governor that I know, that governor that I've seen go across our state, to put together a bipartisan budget that helps move Wisconsin forward.
And what's next? The budget will be going to the legislature's Joint Finance Committee, which is controlled by Republicans. They'll be having public hearings across the state before rewriting it here in Madison. Reporting in Madison, keeping you connected, Juliana Falk, NBC 26.
And the budget year takes effect on July 1st. But if the legislature hasn't passed a new spending plan by then, the old one will remain in effect. Evers has threatened to veto the budget if he can't reach a deal with lawmakers.